Next region is Mediterranean region. Location and areas extends between 30° and 40° parallels in both the hemispheres on the western side of continents. Portugal, Spain, Algeria, Turkey, California, Central Chile, Southwest and Northeast Australia, etc. Climate of this region: dry summers and rainfall in winters. Mean summer temperature from 21 degrees Celsius to 27 degrees Celsius. Winter temperature between 10 degrees Celsius and 14 degrees Celsius. Mean annual rainfall 500 to 1000 millimeter. It rains in winter. Natural vegetation: thick, small and oily leaves. Thick bark examples: olives, oak, chestnut. Grass in low rainfall regions. Coniferous forest in mountainous regions. Animal life of this region: due to animal husbandry, domesticated animals are found in large numbers. For example, goat, sheep, cow, mules, horses, etc. Animal life of Mediterranean region: seat of Greek and Roman civilizations. Main occupation is agriculture. Mostly fruits and flowers cultivation. Wheat and wheat products from the staple diet. Colorful costumes. Our last region is West European region. Location and areas. This region is located in the western parts of continents between 45° and 65° north and south parallels: Norway, Denmark, Ireland, British Columbia, South Chile, New Zealand, etc. Climate of this region: mean summer temperature around 20 degrees Celsius, mean winter temperature around 5 degrees Celsius, mean rainfall between 500 and 2500 millimeter. Rainfall mostly in the form of cyclones associated with westerlies. It rains throughout the year. Climate is mild. Natural vegetation of West European region: green grass all over all the year around. Trees shed their leaves in winter. Coniferous trees and short grasses: oak, beech, maple, elm, pine, spruce, poplar, etc. are found here. Animal life of this region: because of animal husbandry, domesticated animals in large numbers. Wild animals include wolves, foxes, bears, etc. Human life of this region: industrious and enthusiastic people have been mainly sailors and explorers. Use woolen clothing. Have achieved progress in secondary and tertiary sector. Tertiary means related to tertiary industries. Significant differences are found in the environment and available resources in different natural regions. The use of resources is dependent on that region's progress in science and technology. Similarly, the history and cultural organization of that place also affects the life of the people.